What's up everybody? I know it's been a long time since I've made a YouTube video. That's because I've been out doing photo shoots and video shoots. And if you'd like to see some of my recent photography work, you can go to my Instagram, evanlewis.expedition. I'll leave a link in the description. So obviously I'm an avid car enthusiast. What you might not know is that I'm also a pretty avid collector of 1/18th scale models. If you're in the scale model realm, you've probably heard of MR models, maybe Auto Art, and Porsche has kind of their own lineup, which I have a few of those as well. Today we're talking about an Amalgam model. Now, Amalgam is very famous for creating bespoke, one-off, handmade, super detailed models, typically in the 1/8 scale. There hasn't really been that many YouTube videos out there unboxing these things. I think I found like one from 10 years ago of a Ferrari F430 Amalgam model. So today I'm going to walk you through what it's like to purchase and also unbox an Amalgam model. Now, I was originally going to unbox it on this desk here, but as you can see, that might be a little difficult. Right here is what I received from FedEx today. This is the box that the model comes in, and it is a massive wooden crate. Now, it's worth noting that Amalgam has 3 actual facilities now. Their main one is in the UK, they have one in Hungary, and also in China. This one was processed through the Chinese facility, which means I had to do some extra paperwork to get it here. But anyway, let's go ahead and take a crack at opening this thing up. All right, so I'm not entirely sure there's any pretty way to go about this. But we're going to start by just ripping the plastic off here. Not exactly sure all the tools I'll need, but I think I have a few, so let's go for it. Let's see if that gets the lid off. All right, here we go. Okay, we have the lid off of the box, a few metal tabs, actually pretty easy to get open. I'm going to remove several layers of bubble wrap. We have some additional foam, like custom foam cutouts. It's pretty cool. So far, very elaborate packaging. Obviously, they need to protect it, especially when it's coming from overseas, and they've done this a time or two, so let's keep going. Okay, looks like we might have an item here, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this guy up. Since I still have the desk camera set up here, I'm gonna go ahead and start by opening this. This looks interesting. Again, there's really not many unboxing videos out there, so I'm excited to actually get to check out everything that's included when you open the box. But you can see that. All right, so we're on to the first item in the box. Nice little flat packaging here with a bow. Oh, wow. Wow, this is actually super special. So these are actually concept prints of the McLaren Vision Gran Turismo that is in the box that I'm about to unbox. But it looks like they included actually several very nice prints of the actual renderings of the vehicle. So that is super, super cool to see. But that's super cool that they included that. Put this back, all right, onward. Okay, let's see what's next here. Some more bubble wrap. And it appears that we actually have the model here. And as you can see here, we have the QC checklist that goes over the appearance and also the packaging process for this particular model. All right, well, I think we're ready to actually take the model out of the box. Be very careful here. It is quite heavy. Okay. There she is. So now that the box actually fits on my desk, we can start to actually take a good look at this thing. So I kind of already spoiled it earlier, but this is the McLaren Vision Gran Turismo. This is a 1/8 scale model, and the actual scheme for this particular version is called Ulterior Future. All right. So I think this is actually the final unveiling here. As you can see, we have this very nice kind of suede cover with the Amalgam logo on it. And we're just gonna go ahead and go for it here. Okay. Gentle. Alrighty, looks like we have a few more things on top here. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off here. Okay, what do we have here? Let's go ahead and check out what's in here. Ah, yes. As you can see, we have a little booklet. It says the finest models. And looks like it is just a kind of booklet covering all of the various Formula One and different bespoke models and types that they create. So that's pretty cool. We have, what do we have here? Go ahead and open this guy up. Nice microfiber cloth. Oh yes, and an amalgam brush for dusting and cleaning your model off. And finally, very fittingly, we have 2 white gloves for the unboxing and handling. I feel like I have to, at this point, put these on. Okay, and finally here, we have the certificate of authenticity and a signature, and this is handmade Amalgam collection replica of the McLaren Ultimate Vision Gran Turismo Ulterior Future Spec at 1/8 scale, is one of a strictly limited edition of 99 models, and this one is number 28 of 99. Alrighty, it's finally time. Let's do this thing. Some pins pull out here. All right. Now I imagine these kind of just pop off here. All right, and then I think that this just lifts up. Let's check it out. Oh, more packaging. Okay, makes sense. They want to make sure it's protected, so I will be right back. And there it is. The 1/8 scale Vision Gran Turismo from Amalgam, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Well, there really are no words for it. I'm just going to give you guys some nice detail shots to close this video out. But this is the McLaren Vision Gran Turismo 1/8 scale model made by Amalgam Models, and it is incredible. It's definitely way bigger than I had anticipated in person. Seeing a 1/8 scale when I generally collect 1/18 scale models is pretty cool. Yeah, and definitely the unboxing experience is 10 out of 10. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely click subscribe. I do make videos occasionally, and I will make more. So feel free to subscribe, check out the rest of the videos on my channel, and check out my social media, evanlewis.expedition, for my photography. Thanks again for watching. Have a good one.